Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is on a Mac. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to erase your Mac hard drive. If you are going to trade in, or maybe you're going to sell or give away your old Mac, here is how to erase the hard drive. Before you erase your Mac's hard drive, to sell it, give it away, or trade it back into Apple, there are a few things you want to do first before you actually erase the hard drive. I will leave a link to this Apple article so you can follow the steps before you go through the last step, which is to erase the Mac hard drive. The first thing you want to do is power down your computer, and then you're going to restart your computer into macOS recovery mode. With your Mac turned off, to start in recovery mode, first you press the power button, then you immediately press the Command key and the R key. You hold these two together until you see the Apple logo. So here I go. Power button, Command R, wait for the Apple logo. There's the Apple logo. Now I can safely let go of the Command and R key and wait for the computer to open in recovery mode. Once your Mac opens in recovery mode, so I'm going to select Disk Utility, then click on Continue. If you don't see the left sidebar, click on the drop-down next to View and select Show Sidebar. Go back to the View menu, and you want to also make sure that you have Show All Devices selected. So check that. Now you want to select your hard drive to erase. Make sure you select the top, so all of the volumes are selected underneath. So when you're ready to erase, click on Erase. I'm going to name it Macintosh Hard Drive. This is the default name. I'm going to keep the format at macOS Extended Journal. I'll keep GUID Partition Map. And then I'm going to click Erase. You should see a green check mark when the erase process is complete. Click Done. Your Mac hard drive is now erased. You can choose one of these additional options, or if you want to quit Mac Utilities, just go up to the top menu, choose Quit, and then you can restart or just shut it down. That is how to erase your Mac hard drive. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.